If you want your AI agent to work with Power Automate, setup is a lot easier now. In VS Code, install the extension. In Claude, add the MCP server and launch with the plugin directory. Then connect and go. Before this, you had to do the MCP wiring yourself. Create a file, paste the endpoint, add a key. It worked. It was just fiddly. Now a lot more of that is handled for you. If you already work in VS Code, this is the cleanest path in this recording. Install the FlowStudio MCP extension. On the extension page, you can add a connection here, or jump out to get an API key first. Here I click Add Connection, name the connection, paste the API key, open the tool. We can see FlowStudio MCP is installed. Click Update Tools to let it refresh the tool list. The tools are listed. We are good. Now ask for your environments to check it is connected. Here I add a second tenant connection. Then I remove the demo tenant again. That shows more than just install. The Claude path in this recording is still a bit more hands-on. The comments are already on the Learn page, so you can copy them. Clone the plugin repo. Launch Claude with the plugin directory. Add the FlowStudio MCP server, then ask for your environments just to check it is working. The setup guide is in the description if you want to try this yourself. If you want to see what the tools are actually good for, watch the debugging video next. That one shows the payoff.